First up, enter your working email address in the login field below. Click the Sign In button to submit your login credentials. Next up, click on Purchases to access and manage purchase orders and supplier transactions. Now click Goods Receipt to track and manage received purchase orders. Welcome to the Goods Receipt dashboard in HelloBooks AI, where every incoming delivery is tracked with complete accuracy. Then, click the Create GRN button to initiate a new goods receipt note entry. Next, click the From Purchase Order option to create a GRN from an existing purchase order. Afterwards, click the Select button to choose this purchase order for GRN creation. Now click the Save button to save your good receipt note creation. You can also create a GRN from existing bills. Next up, click the Select button to choose this bill for GRN creation. Next, click the Save button to store the good receipt note details. After that, click on the Draft tab to view all draft goods receipt notes. From here, click the Receive tab to filter and view all received goods receipts. From here, click the QC Approved tab to view goods receipts that passed quality control inspection. From here, click the Partially Accepted tab to view goods receipts with partial acceptance status. Next, click the QC Rejected tab to view goods receipt items that failed quality inspection. Next, click the Voided tab to view voided goods receipt records.